Hello once again and welcome to my channel. I am teacher Carmina Paula, and for today's video I will share to you how it is to be an ESL teacher, kung madali lang bang magturo online. So actually, hindi ko I didn't in, hindi ko talaga intensyon na magturo online as an English teacher. Kaso lang I am anong tawag doon? Parang na-discourage na ako in applying as a virtual assistant because nung una talaga I wanted to be a virtual assistant kasi yun yung set ng mind ko. I made different interviews and then dami kong mga inapplyan kahit saang platforms. And then after 2 years, I realized na parang hindi yata ako para sa virtual assistant. So what comes to mind is mag-apply nga ako sa online platforms dito, ganito, ganyan. So, I applied in 51 Talk and Bizmate. Okay, so two companies in one application. So, yun nga, they replied to my email and asked me for an interview. So, first na nag-reply is the 51 Talk. So, immediately, I grabbed the opportunity. I made an interview and then luckily I got hired. Okay, so parang simple lang siya but actually nung nag-interview na sa 5-1 Talk, the interviewers talaga is I really appreciate the interviewers talaga kasi nga every time kasi na meron tayong interview online. Siyempre kinakabahan tayo but what they did is pinapakalma muna. Tapos hindi mo makikita yung mukha ng mga interviewer. So parang ako, "Oy, wow." Parang nawala yung kaba ko. And then hindi ako masyadong fluent, as in very good sa in that interview. But then I can say that I have the ability to or I have a good communication skills already. And yes, I have the skill to teach online. So, yun nga, naisip ko na, oy, ang babait. Parang gusto ko dito. So, yun nga. So, parang, okay, patuloy ko nga to. And then, luckily, after after all the process, after sa interview, sa mga trainings, demos, local demos, and Chinese evaluators demo, nakapasa naman ako. So I'm so lucky kasi nga nakapasa. And then, yes, let's go back to the question. Madali lang ba magturo sa 5-1 Talk? So, ano ko muna, so, to my own experience, bali, pag first talaga, kailangan, may mga time na mangangapa ka pa. But then, in the long run, if you're willing to do it, if you really wanted to teach, and maganda siyang, anong tawag doon, bale, stepping stone para i-enhance mo yung communication skills mo. And yes, yung first class ko, I got so nervous. I don't know what to do. Yung nasa isip mo, ano ba, kaya ko na ba? Kaya ko na ba? Kaya ko ba 'to? Yung gano'ng mga tanong. But then, it comes to mind na dapat ko talaga dapat ako mamili. So, magka-conduct ako ng lesson or hindi and have a penalty. Anyway, talagang mararanasan ko naman talaga na mag-teach. So, ang tawag dun, I face my fear. Nagklase ako. Lucky me. Okay, nagklase ako. So, kinabahan ako nun. Pero, just be confident that, oh, I can do it. Kahit hindi, yun bang, parang sasabihin mo lang oh, alam ko to. Parang magaling ako dito. Yung sa sarili mo, sasabihin mo yun. Para makalma ka. And then, just focus on kasi meron din kasing guide. So, If ever nawawala ka, pwedeng basahin mo using your eyes kung ano dapat ang gawin do'n. And then, yes, it's so easy. Kung sa platform lang talaga, nahasa talaga ako sa 5-1 Talk. Ang dami kong natutunan sa 5-1 Talk. And yes, it may be not perfect, but in the long run, may malalaman ka talaga eh. Um, in pronunciation, constructing sentences. Kasi you need to be to ano eh, to you need na patunayan mong alam mo yung tinuturo mo. So in the long run, I'm so happy kasi nakaya ko siya. Tapos ganito lang pala. Tapos everyday meron kang male-learn talaga and you will be so thankful na ginawa mo yung best mo, you face your fear. So hindi madali sa umpisa. Kasi gano'n talaga 'pag sa anything, when you start, it's not easy. But in the long run, magagamay mo na siya. You know what the tricks or yung necessary things na dapat mong gawin for it to be, um, ang tawag dun? Yung parang malalaman mo na kung ano yung mga techniques mo and how to teach the children. So, yes, hindi siya madali pero I assure you that kakayanin mo. Kung may tiwala ka sa sarili mo, be confident, be motivated. Yes. Tapos aral ka lang. Pag-aralan mo yung mga lesson and then yes, apply mo yung mga na-learn mo. Yun yung pinaka-importante. So yun na yun. So you need to be confident. Hindi necessary na talagang fluent ka. No. It's a learning process. Kailangan mo muna matutunan 'to, 'yan. Parang paisa-isa lang. Pero at the end of the day, oh, ang dami ko na pala natutunan. Congratulations to me. Sa gano'n 'yun siya. Gano'n siya kaganda whenever you teach online. So, 'yun muna yung mashe-share ko sa inyo. So, maybe next time I will share more about ESL, about teaching online. So I hope this video helped you and motivate you to believe in yourself and do your best. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.